Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're going to jump into something I think is pretty incredible. How you can literally train your very own AI agent to be your voice in crypto governance. So let's get right into the Larv.ai onboarding process.
It really all boils down to this one central question. How do you take your unique perspective, your vision, your appetite for risk, and pour all of that into a piece of code? A piece of code that can then act for you 24/7. Well, that's exactly what we're going to break down today.
But hang on, before we dive into the fun stuff, we've got to get a couple of important things out of the way. Just a quick heads up.
So first off, just so you know, this guide is coming from a community member. It's not from the official team. And this is a big one. This is not financial advice. Look, both AIs and humans can mess up, so please always do your own research. All the official links you'll need, they're right down there in the description for you.
And one last little thing, if you're brand new to this whole Larv.ai thing, I'd really suggest you pause right here and go watch our first explainer, a guide to Larv.ai. It'll give you all the basics. Otherwise, you might feel a little lost. Oh, and fair warning, our AI narrator sometimes has a little trouble pronouncing the token name, so, just bear with us on that.
All right, let's get to the main event, the onboarding adventure. Think of this as an interview process where you get to brain seed your own personal AI sidekick, which is called a larva. It all comes down to 8 core questions that are going to shape its entire worldview.
First up is the most fundamental question of all. Who are you? And this isn't just about a name, it's about telling your AI your origin story in this whole ecosystem.
You've got a lot of freedom here. You can tell your larva what handle to call you by, or you can stay completely anonymous. Totally up to you. Then you get a 500-character text box to share what brought you here in the first place. This first answer gives your AI some really crucial context about what drives you.
Okay, from here on, the questions really start to build on each other. Question 2, well, it cuts right to the chase. Why even hold the token? What's the point?
This is your chance to teach your AI what holding is really about for you. Is it the community, early access to things, or maybe you're hoping for something more concrete like a piece of the revenue? Your answer here in another 500-character box is going to define the core value proposition for your AI.
Next up, we get into your own personal economic philosophy. This question is all about how you think the project should handle things like rewards and the token supply. So what's your take? Are you all about deflation, wanting to burn as many tokens as possible? Or do you believe in really rewarding the people who stake for the long haul with high yields? Your answer, again, you've got 500 characters, basically programs your AI's entire financial outlook.
Okay, let's shift gears and look to the future. Question 4 is all about giving your AI a roadmap. What do you think the team should be building? What are the priorities?
Now this one's a little different. Instead of just a text box, you start with a simple checklist. You can give your quick reactions to these big categories, telling your AI what you're excited about and what you're not. It's like a high-level gut check.
And right after the checklist, this is where you get to add your own personal flair. You get a 300-character text box to pitch your own awesome ideas. Maybe it's a launchpad, or something totally out of left field that no one's even considered. This is really your space to get creative.
All right, now for a really big one. How much risk are you comfortable with? This question helps you program your AI's appetite for, spending treasury money on big, bold, and maybe unproven ideas. The way this works is with a simple slider from 1 to 5. Are you a 1, meaning you want to protect the treasury at all costs? Or are you a 5, ready to bet big on a potential game changer? And then you get a little 300-character note to explain the why behind your number, which is just as important.
Question 6 is what I like to call the unbreakable rules question. This is where you tell your AI what your absolute non-negotiables are.
This is where you set your hard boundaries, your ethical red lines. Maybe you're absolutely against any kind of marketing spend, or maybe you'd never ever approve funds for a team that doesn't have a proven track record. Your 500-character answer here makes sure your AI knows which lines it can never ever cross for you. Okay, so we've covered a lot of practical stuff. Now it's time for some blue sky thinking. This is your magic wand moment. This question is designed to get to your ultimate dream for the project with 0 limitations. Your answer here gives your AI its North Star, that big, grand vision that you're really hoping to see come to life.
And here we are, the final question. This last one is so important because it grounds your AI in both optimism and a healthy dose of realism. This last 500-character response does 2 critical things. First, it sets a clear 1-year goal.
But second, and this might be even more important, it seeds your AI with your single biggest worry, the major risk it needs to be on the lookout for as it sifts through all those governance proposals.
And once you've answered all 8 of those questions, this is what you get. Your very own, fully trained larva joins a council of other AI agents, ready to argue, to deliberate, and to vote, representing your unique worldview around the clock so you don't have to. Pretty cool, right?
So, what do you think? Are you ready to create your own AI sidekick? If this got you excited, the official link to start your own onboarding journey is waiting for you down in the description. Go check it out and bring your AI to life.